I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with Essentials and the first fixes. Make sure Windows is updated, because outdated system files block handlers. Open File Explorer and enable View Preview pane. You should see the pane appear. Next, actively test a known supported file like a PDF or JPG to confirm the handler responds. If the pane opens but shows nothing, stop and keep these details. File types and updates matter. Once done, you're ready to move into handler and service checks. Now you dig into handlers and the registry so the preview pane actually renders content. Restart Windows Search and Explorer shell services to reset state, because services often hold stale locks. Run PowerShell as administrator and re-register common preview handler DLLs. This repairs broken COM registrations that stop previews. Then open Registry Editor and verify the preview handler's key contains entries for PDF, Office, and image handlers. To finish, fix permissions and repair corrupt files that block preview functionality. Reset File Explorer via folder options and clear the history. Sometimes cache states prevent previews. Run sfc/scanno to repair system files, and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to recover image issues. If previews remain dead, create a fresh user profile to rule out profile corruption, or restore to a known good restore point. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, test preview behavior in safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.